Hey, welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing, if you are new to freelancing, we'll be discussing few topics as I already promised you in the last video about. We'll be continuing this on the next video. So we'll be diving into that. Let me share my screen. All right. So as we have discussed up to, repeat the process. And now we will be doing new to freelancing. So this might hard up to you if you are new to freelancing, right? So for that, you have to do one thing. It is, first of all, you have to take the first step and element. You have to do what you can do, improve your skill. And the beauty of freelancing is that you have the opportunity to showcase your unique skill and talent to the world, and do not be shy. Let's your capability take center of the stage, right? And as always, some tips are, and you have to follow again my first framework. As already said, if you are new to this video directly, then you have to know that I have a framework of learn, relearn, and unlearn, which is you have to repeat this process. This is a framework, and if you have not watched the previous video, you have to check out that video, and link is in the description. All right. So, and that I have given a detailed description about this relearn thing, right? This framework, and now find your niche, right? Start by figuring out what you are totally good at, right? And most importantly, what you are passionate about. As we already discussed in the previous video, find your niche, what you are passionate about, and in that niche, you have to dedicate and you have to master on that. All right, then, but it should be a good paying job. Okay, it should be a good paying skill so that you can explore your interest and identify your niche, right? And create your online presence. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to know about you to the world, right? So use social media, create a personal website, or set up profiles on freelance platform to showcase your skill. As I'm talking about this personal website, I am highlighting that if you need a personal website tailored to your own area and niche, we are creating some personal website, and we have a package for that itself to create your online presence. If you want, just contact our team. All right, just I will be giving a number in the description so you can connect on that, or else you can just mail to me and I will take you further, right? And if you want consultation with me, it is a paid consultation. You can book that also, all right? But there are different consultations. You have to read all the description, then only you have to choose the payment, right? All right. And craft your unique selling proposition. As we already discussed in the previous video, USP is very much important, and you have to showcase your USP, and you have to do it in a unique approach, special skill, or what you can stand out. You have to highlight that in your profile, that right? And start small and build up, right? As a beginner, it's a good idea to start with smaller projects. This will help you gain a experience, build your portfolio, and establish a positive track record over time. So you have to do that also. Start small and build up, right? And network and learn, connect with other freelancers, attend webinars, and participate in forums, right? And there are many discussion forums, there are online community. You can be part of all these communities, right? Rather than just going and getting into community, you have to utilize it, right? How you can utilize it? If you do not have the, if you are not capable of utilizing that, just ignore this fifth step and do all the four steps. Your result is assured, right? So, and finally, building a personal brand is important. And for now, I am stopping it here, and we will continue the freelancing series, right? So, happy growing.